Okay, people. Here's my intro, which I probably should have done on Monday, but I didn't. So here I am. It's Wednesday for week 4, particularly for you distance learners. So, like, where in the heck are we? All right. First of all, I'm going to flip back to week 3 because you might see this in the due dates for Google Classroom. Pre-simulation knowledge assessment is in Budget Challenge, and it's due at the beginning of the simulation, which today, as of today, is tomorrow night. But whenever you're watching the video, it's due by the time the simulation starts. And this is my ability to collect data about what you know going into this class. All right, so if you could do that, please. That's number 1. Number 2 is another carryover from last week that we covered pretty well was the cash flow spreadsheet. And I have a video that walks you through that. Now, understand this video is a little dated, but it the dates might be different, the amounts might be different, but the concepts are the same. The bottom line is you want to fill out your cash flow spreadsheet with that information and turn it in. All right. And that's due this Sunday. So that's a carryover from last week, from week 3. And by the way, if you're in a different semester, obviously your dates are going to be different, so don't freak out about that. This week we've been focusing on time value of money. I have a review in here of the information we covered, and I have an assignment which is difficult. It is difficult. And actually I have part 1 and part 2 in here. So if you need like some helps, make sure that you review those videos for some assistance. I'm not giving away answers, just kind of give you like some supports there. And also note that I did make a typo on the last question, question 8. All right, so there's that. Then I have 2 money skills due this week. And again, when I say money skills, I mean you go into moneyskill.org, log in with your 7-digit student ID and password, which are the same number, same number, 7-digit code, username, password. Do the lessons, 13 and 19. There's a reading and a question. There's 10 questions per lesson, so on. Now, I don't grade those. I do not grade those. In fact, you'll notice that you have to get 110% to pass, which is impossible. Like, why did I do that? Because I wanted you to be able to retake it as many times as possible to review the materials. When you are done with that, take the quizzes in Skyward that correspond with those lessons. Don't take the quizzes until you've reviewed the information. All right, now this auto insurance, I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to get to that this week. I know this Friday we're going to be focusing on the start of the simulation and paying our bills, because we're going to have 2 bills to pay on Friday at least. Plus, I'm going to talk about the dashboard and the trophy goals and let's see, possibly credit utilization and stuff like that and also the grading for Budget Challenge. All right, so that's kind of a primer to this week. If you have any questions, reach out to me via email or Google Hangouts. And thank you again. Take care.